Hello, my busy homemakers. How are you? You are in the office with Deb, and today we are going to talk about you. We're gonna stop wasting time, and we're going to start our spring cleaning in March in our group, and we're going to have some fun with it too. Now, I'm going to tell you exactly what's going to be happening in March. The group for the month is we're going to be talking everything about spring cleaning. We are going to have, I'm planning on doing weekly chores. Come Monday, or have a list of chores. But don't worry, ladies, we are not washing the walls unless you're doing that on your own. I'm not assigning anything like that. We are going to be refreshing and brightening up our rooms in our home. Now, I've had a bunch of new ladies join me in the group. Welcome to the group. And I am Deb. I am a home organization and decluttering consultant. And I started out originally as a household blogger, and that's how this all came about. But anyway, getting back to our story, and I'll have you know, I'm going to be doing these chores with you come starting. We're going to get a pre-assignment today. Don't worry, nothing big, just I want you thinking in your head and thinking what you're going to do. And then come Monday, starting Tuesday, maybe even next Monday, we'll start a little earlier, because I know it's the 28th. We might start the 1st. We might start the 28th. I forgot how it works out on the calendar. In my calendar, I'm in the group. We will be starting, you'll probably have your first chores. And you'll have the whole week to get that done for that list of chores. Don't worry, it's not long. It's just one simple line sentence. It's not nothing that's going to scare you. If you can't do it, you've got doctor appointments, you've got kids, got your arm in a sling, whatever it is, just let us know. That's all I want to know. I do want to know who's going to be doing the chores with us and trying to do them. We are going to be talking everything during the month we're going to talk about the stove. We're going to talk about the refrigerator, vacuums, rugs, windows, floors, curtains, blinds. I'm going to have a bunch of tips and tricks coming in. We're going to talk about cleaning products. We're going to talk about washing the floor. We're going to talk about lights, furniture. We're going to talk all that includes spring cleaning. Because I don't know about you, but I've had it with the snow. We've had 27 inches of snow already since January 1st. We've got another 4 to 6 coming in today. Not thrilled about it, but I'm going to start pushing the spring cleaning, because I'm going to start pushing that snow and that cold weather out the door. Come spring, when it first day of spring, I'm really hoping we're going to have some really warm weather, because my goal is, once my house is starting to get clean and I'll be doing the chores with you, I want to open those windows. I want to open that door. I want that fresh air to come in. I want to say, I started my spring cleaning and I am ready for the spring to come in. And I'll be out with my friends and I can say, I did my spring cleaning already. It's done. And they'll be like, I still got to do mine. And I'll be the one sitting in the backyard doing my little work and having a good time while they're doing their spring cleaning chores. Now, don't forget, invite your friends to the group if they want to do this with us too. You'll have an accountability partner. Now, I do want to talk to you about on Tuesdays and Thursdays. I will be doing videos and giving you more examples and give you things that I will be cleaning, or I might be cleaning. I haven't decided yet. I know there's one I'm not so sure I'm going to tackle, because it's going to take a lot of time, but you guys might want to tackle it. So if you don't want to do the extra chores that come in on Tuesday and Thursday, like the ones I'm going to be talking about in the group will be about what I'm cleaning extra, that's up to you. I'm saying that I'm still got the weekly chores coming in on Monday and Tuesday, Thursday. If you want to do the extra little chore with us or with me, that's fine. If not, that's okay too. Now, your assignment, your spring cleaning assignment, start thinking this weekend. Think March. Think. Write down a potential list of what you do want to clean, whether it's the garbage cans, or if you do want to wash walls, that's up to you. And we're gonna weave it in to our weekly chores because we've got all month to get these all done. So, which is a good thing. Then March is a long month rather. It's 5 weeks. So we will weave them in too. And I may ask you, would you like to share your spring cleaning list with us? I'm going to have a list too, and I'm going to tell you right now, washing walls is not going to be on my list. Not right now. I may pick it back up in fall. I've already washed the walls in this room already last fall, or right when it started getting cold out. I remember I was trying to keep myself warm, and I kept myself warm because I was busy cleaning all day in here. I remember when it first got cold. That's usually when I like to wash my walls because it keeps me warmer. So think about what you want to spring clean. And like I said, I'm going to probably ask you to share your list with us and get that rocking and rolling because I think Monday, even though it's February 28th, I think I'm going to start giving you chores. You could get started for the week because the next day will be March 1st. Or if, like I said, if you don't want to do that chore, you could wait till Tuesday, watch the video, and then see if you want to do that chore with us. Now, as far as video time for me coming in, I'm going to try and stick with 2 to 3 o'clock p.m. Central Standard Time. You'll have to figure out your time frame for that. Or if you're not sure, ask me and we'll figure it out together. But that's when I'm planning on coming in with the videos and showing you what I'm doing too. That's just something a little bit extra I want to do. So that's all I have for you today, ladies. And thank you so much for joining me today. Hashtag let me know if you're watching on the replay. And let me know if you got started on your list. All right, I will see you in the group and be prepared for Monday because it's all going to be all about spring cleaning. Bye, ladies.